Okay, next we're going to look at grading. So assignments from both in-class and distance learning will be graded. So this is different from this spring when you were given assignments to do at home. We did not grade those. You probably just maybe receive feedback from your teacher of what was right, what was wrong, that kind of thing, but a grade was not assigned. But that changes this year. Um, Classwork homework in this class is 25% of your grade. Classwork homework could be looking at a random sample of your notes. I don't typically take up notes, but maybe I just want to look at some of the notes that you've been taking to make sure that you're getting what you need from this course. It could be a practice worksheet, a wiser, it could be a number of different things. Labs are 20%. Now that might be something that you do in class. That could be a virtual lab. That could be a lab that basically, we just have to look at a video of it and go along with the lab that way and analyze it. Quizzes are 25%. Those quizzes may be given in Schoology, so you can take a quiz right in Schoology. Um, Sometimes I give quizzes on Quiz Is. So 25% for that. Tests are 30%. We don't usually have a test every chapter. It might be per unit, but they're 30%. Um, those might be in Schoology, so you can take a test right in Schoology, or more than likely it will be in Google Forms. So that gives you a total of 100%. So the way that I calculate grades is by percentage. The letter grades, we're going to use the same 7-point scale that you've always used. And you can see the scale here. The way that this grade breaks down for the semester, your first quarter is worth 40% of your total grade. Your second quarter is worth 40% of your total grade. And then the last 20% comes from that final assessment. And typically what the assessment has been a body systems unit, which results in a frog dissection.